There's been a crime. At 3:13 p.m., the remains of a strawberry were found, smushed. There is believed to be DNA evidence left at the scene of the crime. But don't worry, Detective Dave is on the case. Our three suspects are Sally Seed, Juicy Jared, and Dan. DNA not belonging to the victim was found at the scene of the crime. To find out who's responsible, I'll have to get DNA from the suspect's strawberries. If you'd like to aid me in this investigation, here's how you can do it from home. The materials we'll need are a plastic baggie, salt, dish soap, cheesecloth to act as a filter, ice-cold rubbing alcohol, and any glassware or sticks you can find. And feel free to pause the video at any time to take some notes. Step 1. Take the strawberry you'd like to get a sample of DNA from and smash it. Take a minute to really get in there and start breaking up those cells in the different parts of the strawberry. But don't go too crazy. You don't want that bag to explode open and the strawberry sample to be contaminated. Next, combine the salt, soap, and water, and then mix. This is called an extraction buffer. Step 3. Add a little of the extraction buffer to the baggie with the smashed up strawberry. Then continue the smashing process for a little bit longer. This starts the breakdown of the strawberry's cell walls and fats, freeing the DNA from the cell's nucleus. Then, grab your cheesecloth and begin filtering that solution. You pour the stuff from the baggie over the cheesecloth, getting all of the big chunks out of there and just leaving behind a nice tasty looking liquid. But don't taste it, that's just gross. Now, after I'm done filtering out all the excess strawberry junk, I take that juice that's left behind and I put it into a thin plastic container that I got from my kids. Then the next step is to gently and slowly add the chilled alcohol. The slower the pour trickling down the side, the better. We want to leave the two different liquids separated, and you'll see two distinct liquid layers at this point, and the DNA is getting pulled into the top layer, which is the clear alcohol. And finally, you can grab a stick or anything long and thin and pull out that DNA. Feel free to touch it, it doesn't hurt and it's not dangerous. And here it is. It looks kind of gross, but it's amazing. This is the genetic material of the strawberry, the stuff that tells it how to grow, cell by cell. But this isn't one strand. This is probably millions of strands stuck together. So now I'll send this to the lab for results. It turns out the DNA found at the scene wasn't strawberry after all. It was human. Sam!
What? I like strawberries.
And I challenge you to try this with other fruits as well, because everything living has DNA.